Hi everyone, it's Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to apply material on 3D solid object and apply material by layer in AutoCAD. To watch all the videos on this channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get regular updates from Civil Engineering Tutorials. Also like this video in case you find it helpful. So let's get started. So in AutoCAD, you can add material to any 3D solid object to give it a realistic appearance. AutoCAD provides a library of many predefined materials like concrete, ceramic, metal, stone, wood, plastic, fabric, etc. You can use this material browser to browse materials and apply them to 3D solid objects. You can also create your own material if you need. So in this video, I'll show you how to apply material by using the material browser, and in another video, I'll show you how to create your own material in AutoCAD. So let's get start our video. So first, we need to switch to 3D modeling. Go to 3D modeling page. So for material browser, go to view. So menu bar, go to view, then go to render. Now this is material browser. You can click here. Now here the material browser dialog box is open now. Also click on visualize. Click on visualize. Now here you can see this is the material browser icon. Click here. Now material browser dialog box is open now. So instead of this, you can also use shortcut key of material browser, that is MAT. MAT is the shortcut key. So MAT, now press enter. Now this is the material browser dialog box is opened. So now double click on Autodesk library. So these are the predefined materials which is provided by AutoCAD. You can see here, these are the predefined materials. Concrete, these are the concrete materials. Fabric, these are the fabric materials. These are the materials. Metal, you can select any material and select from here. Paint, you can select from here. Plastic, these are the plastic materials you can see here with different colors also. Roofing, wall paint, wood, these are the wood materials. So these are the predefined materials, library of predefined materials. So you can select from here. Now I'll show you how to apply these materials in your 3D solid object. So first I need to create some 3D solid objects. So first go to top view. Now I'll create a rectangle. Now I'll copy this rectangle. Make ortho on. Copy. Again I'll copy this. So we have 3 numbers of rectangles here. Now go back to southwest isometric view again. Now here I'll extrude these 3 rectangles. Extrude, select, enter. Now make the direction upward. No need to specify any particular height. Again I'll extrude this. I'm not giving any particular height. Again I'll extrude this. We have 3 numbers of 3D solid objects now. Now I'll apply material from material browser on these 3 3D solid objects. So go to material, MAT, enter. Now these are the library of predefined materials. So I'll select, suppose fabric. Now I'll select material from here, means I'll just select, drag and drop on the solid to apply. You need to drag from here and drop on the 3D solid object. Suppose I'll give this, drag and drop here. You can see I have applied material on this object. Now I'll select this brown, drag and drop here. I have applied here. It's looking black, but actually it's brown. Drag this and drop here. So I have applied on 3D solid objects. Again I'll apply this. This is metal. Again I'll apply this. Just drag and drop on 3D solid object. So select the material, then drag and drop the material on 3D solid object. So it will be automatically applied. Now I'll drag this and drop here. So you can see here it's applied. Again I'll apply this. So it's applied now. So select the material, drag and drop on the object. So it will be applied. The material will be applied automatically. So hope you understand how to apply material from material browser on 3D solid object. Now glass, select this, check here, you can see it's looking little transparent. This is glass material. Again I'll apply this glass material. You can see all these glass materials are looking transparent. You can see. So hope you understand how to apply material on 3D solid object from material browser. I'll apply this. This is wood. Apply this. These are the wood materials. So select your material, drag and drop on your 3D solid object. Okay. So I have applied this. Drag and drop here. So hope you understand. So you can change your material according to your requirement. Suppose I'll take wall paint. Now I'll drag this and drop here. Again I'll drag this and drop here. Again I'll drag this and drop here. Hope you understand. Drag this and drop here. Drag this color and drop here. Drag this material, drop here. Drag this material, drop here. So like this, you can change any material to a 3D solid object according to your requirement. This is violet. So you understand how to apply material on a 3D solid object. Now I'll show you how to apply material by using layer. So for this, I need to create another two objects. This is a rectangle. Go to top view. Copy this rectangle. Again go back to southwest isometric view. Now extrude these two rectangles. Select, extrude this. No need to specify any particular distance. Again extrude this. Now go to material browser. First I need to create two layers. I need to apply material by layer now. So go to layer. Now here I'll create two new layers. Suppose I'll rename this 2. I'll keep the color white. Okay. Again I'll create another layer and I'll rename this 3 and I'll keep the color same white. Now I'll make this object as layer 2 and I'll make this object as layer 3. So these two objects are in layer now, layer 2 and layer 3. Now go to material browser, MAT, enter. Now these are on thumbnail mode. Select wood or glass. You can select. Suppose plastic, I'll select plastic. Now select any material as per your requirement. Select, click here, right click, go to R2. Now go to document material. Now again select, I'll select this. Suppose yellow, R2 and go to document material. Now you can see these are the document materials. All the materials are set here. So now type material attach. Material attach type. Now you can see here, these are all your layers. You can see all your layers. You can see here, and these are the attach. These are the document materials. These two you have set here, red and yellow. Now we have others also, green, drag and drop here, and yellow, drag this yellow and drop on 3. Just drag and drop on your layer. Click on OK. You can see here we have applied material according to layer. Now you can see here these are the layer 2 and layer 3 are 2 layers. Now we have applied materials according to layer. Okay, so type material attach. These are your layers. These are your materials which you have already set here. So just drag and drop here. Suppose this one, again I'll drag this one. Now click on OK. So hope you understand. You can see here I have applied these two materials here. So like this you can apply materials as for layer. By layer you can apply materials also. So hope you understand. These are the material names. Your materials you set on your document, and this side these are the layers. Just drag the material and drop this side. So hope you understand how to apply material on 3D solid object. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.